Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from Howlogical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change font in your Google Keep. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change your font, you just simply have to open your Google Keep application at first, and after opening the Google Keep, you'll have to open any of the notes into your Google Keep. Then after that, just simply select any of the text where you want to change the font and tap into this option right here. Then from here you can select H1 or H2 font size into this page, and after tapping into this option your font will successfully be changed. But in order to apply more fonts into here, you will have to download the font and install the font into your device, and this way you can easily add or change fonts into your Google Keep. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.